What's good, dolls? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kayla Lashae, and today I have a huge, like when I say huge, I mean like massive. I haven't done like a huge haul like this in a while, but I'm excited because spring is nearly here. We've switched our clocks back, we get longer days. I'm just so excited for the warmer weather, and with that, really cute fashion. So everything here is from Missguided.com. I'm gonna leave links to everything in the description box below because I know that they're always constantly restocking. They're always adding new items and dropping new exclusive collections. So it can be a lot to just search this site. So I'll save you dolls and spare your time and put everything that I mentioned in the description box below. Some of these pieces you might have seen on my Instagram because I just was so excited I couldn't wait to not wear these things. So I did get a lot of questions on this specific top. I got a little bit of makeup on it, but that's okay. It's so freaking dope. I love this top so much. It's a long sleeve crop top, which is one of my favorite styles. I like to mix these with things like mini skirts and trousers, things like that, and I'm all about the neon right now. I feel like most of my wardrobe recently has a ton of neon in it, so I'm down for the bright colors, and I'm definitely going to continue the trend throughout this spring and summer. So sorry for my raggedy nail, let's just ignore that. But I like this because it has a zipper feature. It almost looks like a little like polo style shirt, but it's so freaking cute, and I believe it comes in other colors as well, so definitely pick this up. I also got my hands on this super cute graphic. I got this in a size medium, and I like graphics like this because I can tuck them into high-waisted jeans for a casual day. I could also pair them with a nice high-waisted skirt. I actually picked up one that I think will look really cute paired with this, so in the try-on you guys will be able to see how everything looks and the fit of it. So I'm living for this graphic. I like that it has a little tiger on it and it just says New York. I think this is a fun piece for springtime. I do love simple things in my wardrobe, like solid colors and just playing around with different textures, but mixing in really fun graphics I think is definitely one of my favorite ways to switch up my wardrobe. Next, I got some pants. I'm definitely a pants type of girl. I'll wear pants out to the club. I almost prefer pants and skirts over dresses and stuff. I don't know, it's just more fun for me, and I feel like I can maximize my wardrobe even more with separates. So I saw these on the website. One of my favorite categories to shop on Missguided is the high-waisted pants, because two of my favorite things, I just like they're very flattering and the fit is always perfect. So I bounce between a size 6 and a 4 depending on, you know, the cut of the pants. So these are cool and they're nice faux leather. They're super shiny. I'm really into the vinyl pant look, but I can't get with the noise that vinyl pants make when you're walking. At least for me, my thighs rub together, so hearing that squeaky sound just isn't worth it. Like, maybe it's worth it for a photo, but wearing it out on a town is not a vibe for me, so I can't do that anymore. So I opted to get these, and these are absolutely amazing quality. They have a little bit of stretch to them, so they're very comfortable, and I love the exposed zipper detail here. The back is just super simple, and then it goes down to a fitted leg. So these probably are like my favorite item to get. I almost wish I got this a size smaller so it's a little bit tighter in my waist, but if I tuck something into it, I think it'll be like an even more perfect fit. But these are going to be so fire to style. Just wait on Instagram to see how I put it together, okay? Now, the next pair of pants I ordered was a pair of cargo pants, and these came in so many different color options, and I definitely want to get my hands on the other shades because this is a nice light cargo where it's not super thick. You can definitely breathe in it, so it'll be more appropriate for the warmer weather as we get into spring carrying on to summertime. You can definitely balance it out by pairing it with a nice strappy crop top, but I just live for a good cargo pant or trousers. So these are a US size 6 and they fit perfectly, and this is the charcoal color, and it has pocket detail, and then it cinches in here at the ankle, so you can wear it with a nice heel, and oh, you can just dress these up so well, and you can make them so casual. Definitely a staple in my wardrobe, trousers, gotta love them. And I also picked up these jeans. Oh my god, they have the best jeans, and I'm not just saying that. Not only is the price amazing, and you can almost always find a coupon floating around. I always wait to stock up for like the 40% or like the 50% off, because it's just, oh, it's so worth it for your coin and your wardrobe. So I saw these, and they have like a contrast stitching. So it's a black, I almost want to say these are like it's a ribbed style denim. I don't know, you can definitely tell better when I get closer up. The contrast of the stitching is everything, and the jeans have almost like a corduroy feel to them. They're like a ribbed style, but these are definitely something that I can't wait to style with like my Nike Air Forces and like a cute cropped, or even like something tucked into it. I just like this is an essential to my style. They're a little bit loose and baggy, but what I love about these guys is the distressing. I have to have distressing on my jeans, and Missguided has the best selection of distressed high-waisted pants, okay? So make sure you guys shop on this site. If I'm wearing jeans, most likely they're coming from Missguided, because they're just really thick and just really good quality. So I love this, and then the leg on it is just a straight cut. So it'll look really good with sneakers, or you can put heels with them. So I love that. And speaking of heels, I did order a couple of pairs of heels. So I got these cute mules, and they are the PVC, is that what it is? The clear heels, basically, with a square toe on them. These are really comfortable, and you guys know that I'm getting into wearing heels more. Like, I like my ankle booties because I'm all about the support that they offer, but when it comes down to like stiletto heels and like big girl heels is what I would call them, I can't get with that. It's just not comfortable for me, and I'm all about comfort over pretty much anything in life. You know, like, you should feel good and confident in whatever you're wearing, and if I can't walk right, like, nah, it's not gonna be worth it. So I love these for the fact that they have a wide heel. It looks like a stiletto from the side, but it's actually an inch in width, so you get a lot more support with these shoes, and they do come in a lot of different colorways. So I just stuck with a neutral tone so I could kind of wear it with more things and try them out and get used to them and break them in. But the actual clear part of these I thought would be kind of hard and irritating, but they're really comfortable, you guys. So definitely check these out. They're really affordable on this site. And I also ordered a second pair of heels, like a strappy square toe, because I thought these would be really fun for springtime. And again, they're pretty similar with the heel here. This also comes in a bunch of different color options, neons, you can get prints, solids, neutrals, fun colors. So definitely check these out as well. I think these will be a cute date night, dinner type of shoe, or just like fun day event. I don't know, I just like it's a basic shoe that'll go with everything. Let's move on to some more comfy stuff. This I actually wore in a previous video here on my YouTube, and a lot of people were asking me, where did I get this hoodie? I also live for their oversized sweatshirts and like t-shirt dresses. That's another category that I get a lot of my stuff from, because for me it's just my essential basic that I have to have, and I can dress them up with thigh-high boots, and it's a really fun look. So this is a part of their, they did like a little new season collection. They have a lot of cool sweats and crop tops and stuff. So I just got this oversized hoodie in this camel color, and it is so comfortable. So I definitely want to get my hands on more like loungewear like this, because I really need some sweatpants. I am in need of sweats, like for real. Like, I need all the sweats that they have on the website. Speaking of sweatpants, they just released the second drop to the Playboy collab. This one that I have on is actually a part of the first launch, which I'm obsessed with. So I had to get my hands on these sweatpants. They're so cute. I like that they are neutral, black and white, high-waisted. What I like to do, because they're big in my waist, I got these in a medium, I just fold the band over so it's a little bit more fitted for me, and it's still super high-waisted, so the fit is really nice, and then it goes down into a fitted ankle. So you can even wear heels with this if you want to dress it up for like a fun day, like errand day, or you can just keep it super casual for loungewear. So I love this, really thick quality, and it actually comes with a matching, well, they come separate items, but they match, obviously. So this is a cute little cropped sweatshirt, which I like the idea of these being sold separately, because you can mix and match them with other things in your wardrobe. Like, I could easily dress this little crop up with like a vinyl mini skirt. Oh, I would love to do that with like some Nike Air Force Ones, or just something like that. Like, you get more use out of the items in your wardrobe. And there's actually a zipper on here, so if you want to wear it open, show some skin, you can definitely do that, wear it like off the shoulder. But this is really nice and I can't wait to wear this. It's definitely gonna be like a fun little travel day set that I'm gonna wear on my next little getaway. I got this cute little cropped bralette and they had it in another like a neon shade, but I wanted to get something other than neon green, which I'm living for neon green, but I have so much of it. I needed to get some more neons in different tones. So I got this and it's neon and snake print mixed together. I also snatched this bodysuit in this leopard print. I'm also living for leopard. It's again something a little bit more in your face than what I'm used to, like my solid tones and stuff, but I think it still is so fun to play up neutral tones, you know. So again, pairing it with just a simple pair of high-waisted jeans would be so cute. You still look polished and put together, but it's a comfortable material, and it has a scoop neck and then a little bit of a lower back. So I also really love this. The straps though are not adjustable, so just keep that in mind. This also came out with the second drop to the Playboy collab. I love a simple fitted bodycon style dress. This one has Playboy just embroidered in the corner here, and again you have that zipper detail which you can zip up or leave it open if you want to have like some skin showing. I like the little collar detail because you can kind of pop it a little bit or fold it down. So this is really nice. I like how thick this is and I like the ribbed detail, and again it's neon, so if you're nice and tan, oh my god, I cannot wait to wear this. I think you can dress it up or you can make it casual very easily for a daytime outfit. So living for the Playboy collection, so much so that I also got my hands on this long sleeve graphic. So I like that it has, where is it? That's the back. I like that it has neon to it because hello, who am I? It just has the Playboy logo going down the sleeves, and it has a nice graphic of one of the magazine covers here. This again can be dressed up or dressed down. Knowing me, I'll wear it with like white socks and sneakers, like a chunky sneaker, or even just thigh-high boots as well if I want to be casual going out on the town. Like, I don't know, like that's just my vibe. Oversized tops like this and then just make it look really cute. So love that. I also ordered this mini skirt. I almost said vinyl, but it's not vinyl. Well, maybe it is. This has me tripping because I don't know if this is, okay, it's obviously leopard, but if you get close to it, the texture of it almost looks like a faux snake skin, but then it almost looks like giraffe. So like, I don't know, but I love it. It's very wild and fun. So definitely dressing this with that tiger graphic tee that I just showed you guys earlier in the haul would be so cute because it kind of ties in like the animal vibe, but also just pairing it with like a short crop top, a long sleeve crop top, an oversized little cropped hoodie. Like there's just so many options for this. I do wish I sized down in this though. I did get a US size 6. It would have fit better with a 4. So if you do get this, because it is high-waisted, I definitely recommend going down a size, okay? And then the last thing that I have to show you, dolls, is a faux fur. You're probably thinking, girl, it is springtime, about to be summer. Why are you still getting a faux fur? Listen, I think faux fur is, one, if you want to look expensive in these streets, get you some faux fur. They have just a really good look to them, and Missguided has a really nice selection and variety of textures, styles of faux fur, from the color choices that you want to get to it being like a cropped jacket. This isn't really cropped. I would say it's like a normal cut, but I love the shaggy texture to it. Pairing this with an outfit for a night out, at least for me, like in LA, it's really chilly at night. I ordered this for a club outfit that I wanted to wear with another outfit, so haul coming soon. I just thought this would be like the perfect thing to balance out basically wearing nothing. You know what I mean? You know what I mean. So get you some faux fur. They have a great selection on the website, and by far one of my favorites to get like all my faux fur jackets from. And I think that just about wraps up my spring Missguided haul. I hope you dolls enjoyed this video, and if you want to see how I put these items to use, how I style them, and how I incorporate them with other items that I already have and items that I've already showed you guys, head over to my Instagram. You can go ahead and follow me and holler at me, DM me. I'm always posting over there and sharing like my favorite items, where I get them, makeup products. I'm updating my stories like crazy, so you dolls are always hanging out with me in real time. So definitely check that out. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell next to it so you dolls never miss a post. And until next time, I'll catch you dolls in my next video. Bye!